Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, and welcome to Medling World. We are at the Marriott Grande Vista. Come on, let's check it out. So guys, we're checking in today at the Marriott Grande Vista right here in Orlando, room 1202. Come on, let's check out the room. But I just want to kind of show you the room. I just showed you kind of like a little kitchenette. So again, this is just a studio, they call it. But you do get, I think, yes, you do get all your glasses, right? You get a nice coffee machine, toaster, and you have some mugs, bowls. You get a nice fridge, and the freezer is pretty good size, actually. And then a nice refrigerator, decent, and a nice sink they give you. And they also do give you laundry soap. There is laundry facility here. Even when you stay in a studio, you can use washers and dryers throughout the facility. The 1 and 2 bedrooms come with their own washer and dryer. This must be a closet, I'm thinking. Oh no, the bathroom, okay. So here's our bathroom. Hi again, guys. Should we take off the Ray-Bans while we're inside? Oh, look. Cool. That's funny. So here's the bathroom. Now I will say the one, and I'm gonna just put these here, guys. Let's go. We got our amenities. Before I lose my thought, I was gonna say, I will say that the 1 and 2 bedroom villas here are much bigger, huge, full kitchens, and then this is basically would be a bedroom through here. Okay, so this is adjacent. Over here is a 1 bedroom. On the other side of us is actually a 1 bedroom villa, and this would become the 2nd bedroom. So basically this is what you get as a 2nd bedroom, but we're using it. They also use them as the studios, but they're nice. I mean, it's perfect for 3 nights, and if you're local, this is all you really need. This couch does fold out to a bed. I believe that's a king. It looks like a king. And then, you know, nice nightstands on both sides. I'm looking to see, guys, if there's a safe. Let's check the closet. Yep, safe. And plenty of hangers, ironing board. This would be for the pull-out bed. That's the bedding. So, guys, we're going to make the best of it here. And I shouldn't even say to make the best of it. This is awesome. Come on. But what I'm saying when I say make the best of it is because of our travel plans that were canceled for Brazil, and we have a nice balcony, guys, and look at the room we got. Come on, step out here. Take a little look around. The pool and everything's right here. All the fun activities at the pool. They have movies, they have music, games, all kinds of cool stuff to do. So guys, look, it's beautiful here. This is one of the great things about living in Florida is, especially for us, this is literally 10-12 minutes from our house. So and like I said, we are vacation club owners, so we're utilizing our points. You get allotment of points every year, so we might as well use them and enjoy. And as I said, this is because unfortunately our travel plans were canceled to go to Brazil, so we are disappointed with that, especially Roberta. But hey, we got our family here. We're gonna bring you all kinds of fun activities. We're going to a special breakfast tomorrow at one of the Disney resorts. Stay tuned for that. We're gonna be hanging out around the resort. We'll do some vlogging here and show you some of the cool activities and things to do. So guys, come on the adventure with us. I'm glad I have Roberta and Jake with me. There is a microwave, and there's utensils. I guess I got so excited to show you guys the room, I forgot to open this up.
Yeah.
Definitely a microwave in the room.
Yeah.
Let's carry on. So as you can see, Jake and I, we're already enjoying the pool. It's so cool. I love to do this, guys. Ready? Guys, you can see how beautiful this is with the beautiful palm trees in the pool. Check it out. Awesome little waterfall. And there's a whole nother pool area across the lake over there, which we will over the weekend go and show you guys. But right now we're just hanging out. We'll have some movies here later tonight. It is gorgeous. A little cool. Late afternoon, the air temperature right now is in the mid 60s, but the pool has definitely got to be 86, 87 degrees, so feels really good. So Jake and I and Roberta enjoyed a little bit of pool time here, guys. We're just lounging, relaxing a little bit, and I think tonight, by the way, let's get the itinerary right, okay? So today is actually the 23rd of December, okay? So we're celebrating Christmas here. So we'll be here tonight, the 23rd. We'll be here the 24th night and Christmas night. We'll be leaving the day after Christmas in the morning. Guys, just wanted to kind of show you. Look at that awesome fountain. That's going to light up at night. You can kind of see it lighting up now. They also, over here, you can rent these boats out and you can cruise all around in here. And then, look, this looks really nice. That's the bridge that goes over to the other side, and there's another pool over there, another quick service restaurant. We love this resort. Look, they got the beach volleyball area here, a lot of really fun things, a lot of activities. It's like some cornhole, and actually this area is where they're going to be doing the s'mores, and it's just really done nice. It's updated all the time. If, like, we haven't been here to this particular resort since 2019 Christmas, and we already see updates and things that have been improved. So really having a good time so far, and we just got here. Hey guys, I just wanted to show you our little setup because we will be here, right, Christmas Eve and Christmas morning. So Jake does have his awesome Disney stocking ready for the big boy to come down. And we brought our Christmas tree, our popcorn bucket Christmas tree from Roberta. I believe this is 2020 bucket. Yeah. And we have Minnie and Mickey in the front. So Santa will be able to come and put his presents here for us. We're so excited. We can't wait. Guys, we're hanging out down here at the Grand Cove. It's kind of like a quick service area. You can see there they got like it's a little dark, but you can see they got like a bar and some different food that we can order. But look, we got some entertainment over there. Quieted down here at the pool tonight. So we're gonna enjoy a meal. Let's see what we get. So I gotta get her name again, guys, because I forgot the artist that's singing, but she's doing Christmas carols. She's doing a little Motown now, and she has original music as well. She's really good. Really fun. And we're just kind of hanging out, see? We're just kind of all hanging out here. Some tables. Chill night. First night here, so I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog, and if you are, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World, guys. We got a long weekend ahead of us, a lot more fun to come. Guys, check out this Hawaiian pizza, man. Wow. And then Jake, he has some mac and cheese. He came with some goldfish, some cookies, and just yes, Roberta puts ketchup on pizza. Don't ask me. Any Brazilians out there watching this, is this like cultural? Yeah. And then we got some red pepper. Oh wow. This pizza actually looks pretty good for a Florida pizza. Let's dig in, guys. So this is kind of like, I guess you would call this like the center, right? Village center here. Yeah. Guys, but look how beautiful it is. Look at Jake, he's loving it. It's all lit up nice for Christmas. Really nice in here. Let's get up a little closer to that Christmas tree. Guys, look at the base around this tree with all these awesome poinsettias. And yes, they are real. And the tree is beautiful, man. So really cool. And they have like a marketplace here with a store. They have Starbucks. And over on the other side of the tree, that's where the check-in is, the lobby area. So it's a really nice resort. I love the layout of it. And we're gonna go for a little walk, guys, so let's go check it out. I think you guys can see those cool Christmas lights going across the bridge. And when I see something like that, it makes me want to go walk on it. So let's go check that out. I love this. Jake, what do you think of this cool bridge, man?
Cool.
Roberta.
I did not see this last year.
Well, we haven't been here since pre-pandemic. Remember, Roberta? Last Christmas time we were at Harbor Lake.
Oh, yes,
Marriott
true.
Harbor Lake.
Yes, true. Yes. So it was 2 years ago.
Yes. But this is nice. No, but it was not here a couple years ago. Look at this snowflake.
I really like it.
It's beautiful, man.
Yeah.
You know, it's really starting to feel like Christmas now, huh? It's a little cool tonight.
Yeah, really cold, you mean? Like,
Well,
really
it's
cold.
not really cold.
Yes, it is.
Well, if you live in Florida, it's really cold, but there's people swimming.
I still have my shorts
Guys,
on,
there's
so I guess
people
it's not
swimming.
that
I
bad.
got sandals on. Hey, I'm an old New Englander. This isn't that bad. No. But look it, man. Just so cool. Guys, let's go see this other pool over here a little bit at night. I see some Christmas decorations. Definitely come back during the day as well and show you that pool, but let's have a walk over there. It's a beautiful time to show you the pool. There's nobody in it, and this one's really, really neat. They got a splash over there for the kids. Look at how nice that looks tonight, guys, with the Christmas decorations.
I think it's nice and warm too, like the other one.
Roberta,
See?
put your toe in there.
It's not as warm as the other one. The other one's warm.
I'm gonna mention that. We always felt like this pool was a little cooler than the other one.
Yes, yes.
So that still holds true. Let's go look over here, guys. I want to show you this little splash. Now, this splash area is cool. Roberta, was this here before?
Yeah.
Okay, so this was here back the last time we came to this resort. A lot of fun, and I can feel the water is warm. So guys, you can see this one is the upper one. Jake is saying,
It's warmer.
so this one's a little warmer than the lower one. And doesn't it look cool? And more food here. Some nice decorations up on, you know, the structure of the building there. So guys, I think for tonight, we're gonna kind of wrap the vlog up. We're gonna head back into our room. We're gonna relax the rest of the night. Enjoy our first night here at the Marriott Grande Vista, right here in the heart of Orlando. This place is cool too because it's located in between Disney and Universal, and the closest park here would be SeaWorld, which is just a couple minute drive. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please like and subscribe. Much more fun coming. Don't forget, the next vlog is gonna have our breakfast from, you'll find out, one of the Disney World resorts. Can't wait to show you guys. And last but not least, see ya!